Good day, everyone. Praise be Jesus and Mary. I am Venus IBJ Pepenosas, studying Master of Arts in Home Economics at Lourdes College. My study is on the quality of teacher instruction, laboratory learning environment, and student engagement in food waste management, implications on the students' key skills in bread and pastry production. The current educational system faces several significant challenges in effectively helping students improve their baking abilities. One major issue is the gap between theoretical knowledge and its practical application. Despite spending an additional 2 years studying baking exploratory subjects in the Technology and Livelihood Education or TLE curriculum, many students in the Philippines still struggle to demonstrate advanced baking skills. That is why this study aims to explore the interrelationship of the quality of teacher instruction, laboratory learning environment, and student engagement on food waste management on their level of key skills in bread and pastry production. So the study aims to contribute to the development of the effective teaching methods and the creation of conducive learning environments that promote sustainable practices in culinary industry. The study is anchored in two major theories. First is the social cognitive theory by Albert Bandura. Second is the experiential learning theory by David Kolb. Those theories are accord on the three main variables being operationalized. So first is the quality of teacher instruction. Second is the laboratory learning environment. The third one is the student engagement in food waste management towards students' key skills in bread and pastry production. The theories provide a comprehensive framework for understanding how students acquire knowledge and skills through observation, hands-on experience, and environmental influences. The study employed a descriptive correlational design to examine the relationship between variables. The participants were the 105 grade 11 students taking bread and pastry production NC2 in the school year 2024-2025 from three public schools under the division of Bukidnon and their in situ holder teachers. A systematic random sampling was used to ensure unbiased participant selection. So the research utilized adapted questionnaires from three previous studies by Posel et al. 2013, Maki et al. 2007, and Rago and Rodriguez 2022. So as shown in Table 1, all three dimensions were read as high. This indicates that students are consistently satisfied with the quality of instruction they received in their bread and pastry production classes. This finding is consistent with Watson and Chen's 2019 assertion regarding the positive impact of knowledgeable instructors, along with clear explanations with engaging activities are crucial factor in student achievement. As shown in Table 2, all three dimensions were read as high. This overall rating demonstrates that students generally view their learning environment positively, though with notable variations in experiences with 0.72 standard deviation. So this is in line with Garcia and Molina's 2023 research emphasizes that when students are comfortable in their working spaces, it directly impacts their engagement and learning. So table 3 is the summary table of students' engagement on food waste management. All three dimensions were read as high. The overall engagement rating of 4.6 demonstrates strong student engagement in food waste management practices with consistent response across dimensions with 0.65 standard deviation. Looking at individual dimensions, affective engagement emerged as the strongest aspect with the highest rating of 4.25 and the most consistent student responses with 0.64 standard deviation. This indicates that students have developed strong emotional connections and personal values regarding food waste management. suggesting that they are genuinely care about the environmental and social impacts of food waste reduction. So Valentin et al. 2024 supports this insight, showing that attitudes and knowledge significantly influence food waste reduction behaviors, but variability in understanding can affect the consistency of actions. So Table 4, these data further imply that the high rating in baking skills is the result of regular hands-on practice and mentoring. So this is supported by Chang et al. 2023, who highlight that in the bakery industry, the cultivation of baking skills relies heavily on the structured training, continuous practice, and mentorship within professional production environment to build strong technical competencies. Table 5 is the canonical correlation analysis between key skills in bread and pastry production and its variables. So the canonical correlation analysis revealed significant relationships between students' bread and pastry production skills and its three key variables: quality of teacher instruction, laboratory learning environment, and engagement on food waste management. The analysis showed moderate positive correlations across all variables, with teacher instruction demonstrating the strongest relationship, followed by engagement on food waste management and laboratory learning environment. All three relationships were statistically significant, leading to the rejection of null hypothesis. So to sum up, integrating quality teaching instruction, creating positive laboratory learning environments alongside engaging hands-on food waste reduction practices into classrooms are vital for preparing students for successful careers in culinary arts and related fields. As the finding demonstrates the positive impact of these approaches, educators should continue to provide an education that balances theoretical knowledge, practical experience, and a commitment to sustainability. So educators can equip students with the skills and mindset necessary to excel in their chosen profession. The study recommended for educators to continuously update teaching practices to better prepare 21st century learners for real-world challenges, focusing on high-quality instruction that incorporates practical engagement opportunities and sustainable methods. So for school administrators should intensify teacher training programs that equip instructors with advanced teaching techniques and develop an approach to culinary education that treats teacher effectiveness, sustainability integration, and laboratory facilities as interconnected elements of students' success. So, for future researchers, are encouraged to conduct longitudinal studies examining the long-term impact of sustainability initiatives on students' technical competencies, investigate the effectiveness of specific professional development programs for culinary instructors, and explore the potential of integrating sustainability practices into culinary education. Curricula to assess impact on student performance, resource utilization, and waste reduction in both educational and professional setting. So based on the conduct of the study, the researcher learned the importance of giving quality teaching instruction, creating positive laboratory learning environment alongside engaging hands-on food waste reduction practices so that students will have a well-rounded and highly skilled to be able to prepare them to meet industry challenges. So as for the completion of the study, it is a quite challenge for the researcher to balance her valuable time being a full-time senior high school teacher and as a mother to a newborn with various duties and responsibilities and as a master's student at the same time. However, with God's grace coupled with hard work and perseverance, the researcher was able to successfully finish everything. So here are my references. Thank you all for your time and attention. I hope the insights shared from this study have been valuable and inspiring. Please feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or would like to discuss the topic in more detail.